crazy. I don't know what's going on with this. Does anybody else have that problem where one side of their head is a little like more voluminous than the other side? Like this side is a lot more oomph than this one, and it happens all the time. Anyways, what is up, you guys? It's Friday. It's 12:30 p.m. I just finished 2 of my classes, and I thought I would just go ahead and vlog my day, my weekend. Starting on Friday. This weekend is my friend's birthday party situation, COVID free. But yeah, I thought I would just film a little bit of that. I'm gonna go ahead and head to the store, pick up something for her. I already bought like 3 things for her, but I wanna, you know, add a couple more items and then buy a gift bag. And mind you, I have until like 3 p.m. to do this because I have another class. Fridays are always my busiest day, but today we just had an exam and I had to present for midterms. So once I finished, I was practically free. So I thought I'm gonna take this opportunity to go to the store. I also need to pick up some groceries. I need to pick up some food for my dogs and just that whole shebang. I don't know if you can see my whole outfit, but I just threw on something simple. I honestly don't like to get all dressed up to go to the grocery store as much as I would like, but there's just a lot of creepy people that would come up to me and I literally feel so uncomfortable because okay, it's literally 70 degrees right now and it's freaking hot as balls. My matcha drink, this is the brown sugar latte with oat milk, but I wanted to, oh my god, I'm literally a mess, but I wanted to add matcha in it to see how it tastes like. Wait. That is freaking good. Hey, update. I'm going to Target, right? And I made the worst mistake ever because there is so much traffic heading to Target, and it's the closest Target by me, but this is gonna take me a really long time and I have to be back for class by 4:30, but that's looking a little slow. So I just came back from Target. I literally hate going to Target because I came in for 2 things, came out with like 7 items and ended up spending $75. I'm not so proud about that. It happens every time. It happens every time. But I thought I would just show you guys these new glasses that I just got. I just literally couldn't leave without it. Let me take mine off. Oof. Oh my god. Do we like it? Because I freaking love it. Anyways, I'm going home now. It's 3:10. I have to be home before my class starts. Okay, I'm out of breath, but this is the gift bag that I got from my friend. I got those TikTok leggings. Super cute. I hope it fits me. It's only 10 bucks. I got her a shirt. I don't know if you could see. Got her a shirt. Got her a skirt. Super pretty. Like eyelet detailing. Got these 2 things because my brother loves those. Just stocked up on some dry shampoo. I also got my friend a cotton pad dispenser from Target. I got her another cute blue top. She loves blue, so super cute blue top. Got her a really cute card. It's a cannoli. Isn't it so cute? I wanted to try out a new moisturizer, so I am trying out this one. And then I got this for my boyfriend because I messed up his shoe. And oh my god, Target finally has Revolution, and I've been wanting this blur stick for the longest, so I wanted to pick that one up and try it. Dude, picked up some chips, cupcakes that I messed up, more chips, picked up some cookies. These are my favorite cookies. Bagels and a donut. I also just picked up some more dog food. I can't eat meat on Fridays, so I picked this one up. It looks really, really good. I got this as well, because this one looks bomb. And I got some chimichangas. Just chimichangas. Frozen chimichangas to feed myself throughout the week. Almost forgot, but I also picked up this green tea because it's so hot outside. I needed juice, and I only really like green tea. And then I picked up more oat milk. I've never tried the Shabani one, so I'm gonna try that right now. That's yummy. Super smooth. But yeah, that's literally all I got from the store. I'm gonna go and change, pack all of her stuff up for her gifts, and then get ready for class. And I might just cook the food that I just bought, so. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I quickly make my sweet cold foam, but dairy-free version, you know, the one from like Starbucks, but obviously theirs is made out of like heavy cream. I'm just gonna give it a stir. I don't have vanilla, but I use caramel because it's still like, it's literally the same. And this is the secret, you guys. This is a dairy-free heavy whipping cream alternative. It's so good. And it literally stays foamy for the longest. So, and you're just gonna need like a whisk. I got this off of Amazon like a really long time ago, so I'm pretty sure there's like a lot more now, but I'm literally doing this with one hand, so bear with me. I'm only gonna put a little bit. I think that might have been a lot. I'm only gonna put a little bit, like that much, and I just have this little cup because it has a pour at the end, and you see it says it whips, it cooks, and it bakes. So this is like such a great alternative if you want to use heavy whipping cream but you can't have dairy. Because this isn't sweet, it literally just tastes like regular cream. I just put just like, okay, that was a lot. But you want to just put like a teaspoon of that because this is really sweet. So I'm just gonna turn this on and whisk it. Now normally I would hold the cup because then it would just move around, but you kind of see the gist of it. Let me hold the cup. Okay, I just finished whisking all that up. So you can see it's a lot more thick. And I'm gonna take my straw out and just mix that one more time. And take my straw out and I'm gonna just pour it. Okay, I could have put a lot more, to be honest, but that is the dairy-free sweet cold foam trick using silk. And it's so foamy and frothy. Like, look at that, it's so good. Hi everyone, happy Saturday. I totally forgot to film in the morning. It's like 3:30 right now. I'm laying in bed because I'm gonna leave for my friend's birthday in about an hour, and I want to take a nap because I've been awake since 4 a.m. because I had work. So that's mainly the reason why I forgot to film the Saturday part. But yeah, I was at work until 12, nothing really interesting, and then came home, washed up, did my makeup, kind of did my hair. I'm gonna take a nap, so it's gonna get messed up, so I'm gonna have to redo it. I'm just really tired and hungry, but I will see you guys at the party, at the get-together. That's nice. This one's cute. $3.99. Cute. Okay, so it's Sunday and I'm thrifting. This is my outfit. This is some of the things I got. Really cute. I got this dress, jumpsuit, this dress, this top. And I also got this really cute blouse. The sleeves are sheer. I got this really beautiful, very vintage. You could see. Okay, this is really nice. Like the color and the fit, but the pants are way too big. I feel like I could work with it. I could tighten it up and it would look super cute. Look at that. I really love the blazer. This one is a little too mom vibes. I really like the sleeves, but this one is absolutely stunning. It looks so like fitted and just, it's so spring vibes, but vintage. But there's a missing button. But I feel like it's still super cute. This one I'm gonna get. It's only $5. And it's so cute. It's so windy. We're going to IKEA.
Do you want to post in the middle of the street?
Wait, no. Why? No. Would it match my outfit? It's too windy. reflection on my glasses. We're going to get pizza now. Update, I got my period. I'm in a freaking Colombian bakery because I had to run to the bathroom, but this is embarrassing. I can't.
They're gonna have Cold Stone here. That's good.
I know.
Isn't that the one that's good?
Chipotle. Just wanted to quickly update you guys on what the heck happened. That pretty much sums up my Sunday. So pretty much I went to IKEA and I immediately started to feel my period coming. I know it's a little TMI. But yeah, that happened and we had to run to like a quick bakery because it kind of happened when we were leaving IKEA. So we ran to a quick bakery nearby and then I just stuffed a bunch of tissue paper and it was just a whole mess. And then we got pizza and everything went well until I started to get cramps, and now I am home and I'm gonna just rest for a couple minutes, maybe up to an hour, and then I'm gonna go ahead and work on some homework because I gotta catch up on homework for the week, and then I will be doing laundry at the same time. And I think that's pretty much it, you guys. I hope you liked my weekend vlog. I felt like a lot of interesting things happened this past couple of days. I hope you guys got a little insight on what I do on my weekends. This isn't what happens every weekend. This isn't what happens every weekend, but I just wanted to give you guys a little sneak peek of what happened this weekend. I hope you have a great day, and I hope to see you guys all next week for some more fashion content. Thank you again for 1,000 subscribers. That is absolutely insane. Please don't forget to go ahead and check and subscribe to my mailing list for my online thrift consignment shop called Shop in Dreamland. I hope to see you guys all next week and have a wonderful and safe day. Bye. Say bye.